passion really is taking people in small groups on really nice tours. We don't focus on racing at all. It's definitely ride for fun, not for medals.
The Bike and Battle came about after years of exploration in the area, and this is what we do at Detour Trails. We love exploring, we love piecing together tours and new trails to explore. And the Bike and Battle really was a move away from the big mountain bike stage events that you see, and focusing more on smaller numbers, a boutique environment, boutique riding. But we used Sant Juana Lodge as the hub and base for the Bike and Battle, with luxury accommodation, great food. It was a perfect base to launch the Bike and Battle 2015.
For sure.
We ride in supported groups. In this case we had 40 odd riders, 3 different groups at different speeds. The riding is very natural, raw trails. We ride what's there, we don't move it. We don't even move a rock. No manicuring of the trails whatsoever, so it's a step away from what people are used to. And we've managed to piece together through all our exploring really interesting routes that end up at each battle site, where the riders are then exposed to the history of that specific battle. Another major element in exploring and piecing together nice trails is always land access. Land access is a perennial challenge for us, and in this case we had local communities to deal with, commercial farmers and Isibindi Game Reserve. Everybody in the area was very supportive, and all of the 6 local Nkosi that we dealt with were really welcoming of us in the area, and they'd like to see us come back and do more of these events.
Freedom's like an ocean tied to a tree in the ocean. I'm like a sailor on a ship with no home. I'm left with one question, burning my direction. If I had a choice, which way would I go?
The result of the success of this inaugural Bike and Battle, we've decided to do the Bike and Battle Safari, which will be in March next year, which is a purely camping version of the Bike and Battle. But we're not straying away from our DNA, which is small group tours in amazing places. We'll still be going to Lesotho, we'll still be riding the Wild Coast, and many other really interesting places that we take people to. So if you're keen on riding with us, just check our website, detourtrails.co.za.
Dutchman 0-1. Came for second best, yeah? But it's fantastic, it's unbelievable. I love the idea of short left with no trail.